keep doing what you're doing, get off the field for now. All right, CJ.
I'm okay.
Yeah, but we have to. We sitting there watching this one person. Yeah, it's one player. Like it's one person grabbing boards. You down there last. We need boards. If we get boards, we win. And look, we have to slow down. So number 47 can't go left, but he knows how to get down. He can go left, but it's uncomfortable. It's uncomfortable. So what he's doing, right, is if he does get the ball up, he's looking over, no looks.
Yeah, but this is too. Don't worry about me, bro. I'm gonna get the fuck out of here. Because the nigga, bro, he lives.
And look, we gotta stop him, man.
The ref is calling everything. He came on the court like 47. He's nice. He's nice.
All right, so that's fine. That's fine. We have to play through it. You're down 5. We're down 5. And we need to go. Yeah, all right. So look, who was the starting lineup?
I got
No, wait a minute. I need to consult my big. So one of you sitting. You were sitting, right? Who was sitting last?
I say start both.
Start both.
We move.
Okay.
All of us?
Yeah. 1,
2, 3.
Be good. Yeah. Jimmy, you're going in for Ben.
I got a question, ref. Why you wear gloves?
Because I caught COVID from the basketball.
Ooh!
See, what happened was a ref caught it, right? My partner, and he said, man, you might want to go get checked because I caught COVID. And then he don't know from a player or from the basketball. So I told him, I said, oh, okay.
Hey,
I went to get checked. Damn, so
move the ball.
So I think it was from the ball.
Let's get down court, bro.
Probably. Everybody.
They got the jump.
Oh, it's red ball. It's red ball right there.
Why?
Yeah. Right off the tip.
It's red ball, though.
I just said.
The board. Bucket. Get him now.
Don't back up no more, Dorian, so.
There's no way he's shooting.
Is 20 really hitting that?
No.
Still showing them this way.
We don't have to rush. We're good.
We good?
We're good, Ben.
Call me Mr. Milk.
Hey, wake up! CJ, pressure. Do it. Come on!
The board.
Hey, slow it up and run pick the rolls to Jordan and CJ.
I would say run Jordan. I have CJ.
Hey. Yeah, there you go.
Because what I'm saying is pick and roll.
Bang!
He just cut back door.
He's gonna have to help over it. Somebody's gonna be wide open in that corner. You know?
No, don't say nothing. We're good. Hey, you gotta stop turning the ball over, James. Don't let him walk the ball out like that. He wanna shoot. Line! Hey! Yeah, but we gotta get to him.
That means
Ain't no foul.
Get back! You gotta see it! Get on it! Jordan, come to the field! Good take.
Running up the screen. Hard to do it.
You have to but try to get through it. You're strong enough. Hey, Dusty. That's okay.
Good shot, boy.
Hey, get up. Be patient with him, man. Hey, go help the bench. Pick him up now. He wants to shoot, Jordan. Right, Dylan. Yes, sir. Dylan's going. Okay.
Come on. We're doing the whole fucking game. Hey, Greg.
That boy Jordan locked in.
So listen, one of you is going into one of the bigs, resting for the final portion of the game. He's a lefty, Jimmy. Straight up. I need 1 miss, lefty. Get off the three. Get off the three. Hey, Jordan, I tell you, man, you make me count every shot, dude. I need both of these, please. It's too close.